and I'm from Grade 1 Courage. Today, I'll tell a story about the diligent girl and the lazy girl. Once upon a time, in a village, there were two girls. One was diligent. She got up early, helped her family, worked hard, and treat others kindly. The other was lazy. She didn't like to help, slept a lot, and always tried to avoid work. One day, they both had a challenge to go on a journey or a task that would show which kind of girl would receive good things. The diligent girl helped people. She met along the way a dirty dog, perhaps a tree or an oven, needing help. Because she helped, good things helped to happen to her. Her reward, fortune, and blessing came. The lazy girl, on the other hand, met the same chance, but refused to help. She ignored the people, the tree, the oven, everything, because she didn't like to help. She did not receive the reward. She went back without the blessing. The diligent girl got in the end. The story shows that the hard work was rewarded. The lazy girl was not. And the moral of the story is when we help others, when even if it's a small thing, we build good characters. When we work hard and are responsible, good things come to us. If we are lazy, avoid our duties, and don't help, we lose chances to receive good rewards, kindness, effort, happiness, and blessings. Laziness means opportunity. And that's the story of the diligent girl and the lazy girl. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy the story and learn something useful today.